Today, we're going to show you how to change a Toyota Camry key battery. So in order to do this, you're going to need a CR 2016 battery. We've got a link to those in the description below. And this is going to work for most models of Camry that have a key shaped like this, regardless if it has 3 or 4 buttons. In order to do this, you're going to take a screwdriver. There is a little tab here on the side. You insert that screwdriver in there, you pry open, and that's going to give you access to the key. Now, a little trick here that a lot of people don't know is turn the key upside down, and that's because you want to have this module facing down and the battery buttons facing down, and that way they won't fall out and you won't have to put them back in. It saves you some time. So then we're going to take our screwdriver, pry open the battery module. You can see those buttons in there. Those will fall out. They're just held in by gravity if you don't have it upside down. Now we've got our battery module here. We need to open this up. It's got a little arrow. It says use coin to open, or you can use a screwdriver. There's a little ledge right here. You're going to insert your screwdriver and you're once again going to pry it open. That's going to open up the battery module, and now we have access to that CR 2016 battery. Note that it does have the plus symbol facing up. You need to make sure that when you take this out, you put the new one in with the plus symbol facing up. Be very careful here because there are 3 little plastic tabs that are very easy to break off. You can insert your screwdriver and just gently pop that out, and then you want to make sure that you maintain those tabs and you're gentle putting in the new CR 2062 battery, and you got to have the positive or plus symbol facing up. We insert those up, and I make sure I put a little tension on the spring right there. That does help keep this battery in. And let's try that again. So we kind of wedge it down in there, keep that tension on it, and then you want to make sure to engage those little plastic ledges. This one actually has them already broken off right there, so be careful with those. Just a word of warning. Put the cover back on, and then you're going to put it back into the key here. And then we're going to put our cover back on the key like so. And now we've got our Toyota Camry key battery replaced. It takes a CR 2016. So check the description below for that, and thank you for watching. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or leave a comment. All of those do help support the channel. We appreciate you. We'll see you next time.